Hey guys and girls, welcome to exploreall.com. In this video, I will be discussing about the methods in PHP. So there are two methods, important methods in PHP. One is get method and second is post method. What is get? Getting is somewhat fetching, right? If we take the general meaning of get, it is somewhat fetching, right? And what is post? Post is somewhat in general meaning giving others something. You are posting something, okay, in the general sense. You take your Google search engine, okay. Whenever you're querying whenever you're writing for you are searching for a particular word. Suppose you think that explore all. When I search for this, I am getting all the results here, right? So how I am getting that? First, it is going to search. Whenever you search, see your browser there you can see that q is equal to explore all, oq is equal to explore all, like that. It will just queries its search engine, its servers, and it just fetches the data from there, okay. That is how the search engines get the data from their servers, data center, sorry. Next is talking about this get and post. The get and post are mainly used whenever you are handling with forms, okay. You might have seen the registration forms, or you can see a simple forms on websites, right? Whenever we are dealing with this, we're going to use this get and post. Okay, first let us create a form. And to create a form, I won't be doing the hard code like form and writing that form tag and writing the input tag like that and all. It's not necessary. But you have the software, Dreamweaver software. By using this Dreamweaver software, I'll be able to create an HTML, and I'll be saying this as giving the title as form, and in my body tag I want the form, right? So I'll be saying this as form, okay. And now I want to insert the form, so I'll go at the top of here. I can see many things, right? Insert, in insert, common, layout, forms. I have forms here. I'll click on the forms, and now I want a form button, right? I want form here, so I'll just click on this form. And here, what is the action? Here the action represent whenever you submit your form, where it has to go. So here it has to go for learn php slash index.php, okay. This is where I'm going to retrieve the data which I submitted for this form, okay. Next, method, there are two methods I told. One is get and post. I will just explain you with the get method first, okay. Next, what is the form name? Get form, okay. Get form, I have written the name as get form. And what is this target? Target is the, whenever you submit that, it has to go to the self page, it has to go to the blank page, another it has to go to the parent page, like that. You'll be having that. So where the target has to go, you can just specify that, okay. Next, I'll just click OK. See here, my form has been come here. Now in this form I have to insert the text field, right? So for that I'll be going here and I'll click here text field, okay. And my text field button is going to be first name. I will be creating two text fields, that is first name, and for that I'll be giving that value as first name, okay. Size, you define the size of that, that is 10. And maximum length, that is how much of words you want to end with. Suppose I want the username to enter only 10 words, I'll be creating here the max length as 10. Suppose if I want to him to enter, he can enter 20 words, I can just here the max length, so max length here. And next, you click here, you can have types here, text, password, radio, checkbox, like that, submit button, like that. I want just text field, so I'll click OK. And now I'll be creating one more. I'll just copy, I don't go for again input, and just copy here, and I'll just click last name, okay. And the value for this is last name, perfect, right? And finally I want the submit button, right? And I will go here, text view, and here I'll select the button, submit button, and the name for that is submit. Okay, I'll just click OK. So here I got my submit button, right? And whenever I'll just save this, and if I view it in my browser, I'll be getting this first name, last name, submit. Okay, sorry. So this is that in the form. Let me go with my server. In my server also I've just created that only. You don't have to worry about that. See that? See here, I'll be excluding that. explorer.com slash learn php slash form. See here, I got the first name, submit, last name, and submit button, right? And now let us create here. I have in this form, in my form button, let us edit that. Here the action is going to be learn php index.php. So I have to create index.php file, right? And my method is going to be as get. Okay, and now I have to echo whatever I have submit here. I have to echo this in index.php. So what I will go, I'll just created the index.php file, and now I'll be going to echo this. Okay, dollar, just a minute. So what I'll be doing that dollar, I'll be creating a variable called first name here, and dollar get. So this is the variable for we'll be using this for get method. We'll be using this variable here, dollar underscore get, and here I'll be writing whatever name which I have given in my form. I'll be giving here, that is first name, and next in the same method last name. I'll be creating variable called last name, and I'll be getting this get of last name. Now you have to echo this, right? You have to echo this on the browser. So echo dollar first name. I just echo the first name. Okay, now close this, save this. I'll just submit here, explore all Rajesh, and see here I am clicking on submit. So whenever you are clicking on submit, it is going here. Here in the URL you can see that as first name and last name appear on your browser. So whenever you are using your get method, the names which you submit are going to be appended at your URL. Okay, and here the question mark specifies that the the browser will find that after question mark, whatever you have submitted in your form will be seen here. Okay, so I have created first name is equal to Explorer and last name is equal to Rajesh. That is what I have submitted in my form, and that when I submit that, the action which it has to take is learn php index.php, right? And I just echoed there Explorer, so that I got here Explorer. This is about get method. Okay, and next coming to the post method, I'll just change this values post. I'll just change this values to post in index.php file, and in my form.html I'll be changing the method as post method. Okay, just change to post. So now what happens, let us see that. Whenever I'll go for learn PHP form.html, form.html, and here I'm going to submit exploreall.com, and now if I click submit, you can just see that the action, that is Explorer, is being visible. But what is the difference? Whenever I was using get here, the values which I have been submitted there was visible here in the browser, but whereas when I am using this post method, I am not able to I'm not able to see in the browser the values. So that is the difference between get and post. By using get method, you will be able to see whatever the values you have submitted on the browser, but when you are using the post method, it will be embedded in your script only. That will be submitted to your script which you are writing there, and you will not be able to see the values which you have submitted on the browser. So that is about get and post methods. And take care guys, be supporting us, you have a lot to learn in front. Take care, bye bye.